Target Hydraulics is one professional hydraulic power unit manufacturer in China. From this video, you can see Target Hydraulics can offer you 3D drawing design. You can choose different components and we assembling them together to show you. We can assembling gear pumps, center manifolds, all the valves, different AC or DC motors, different tanks. After this 3D drawing design, you can check by yourself, assembling with your system. Check different dimensions, and then you can make your final decision. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you.